Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. This week I'm going to be using some of the plethora of products that I was sent in that beautiful gift box that you may or may not have seen. I will link the video somewhere, either in the cards or the description or both. And I'm going to be showing you how I made this look, which of the products I actually used to make this look. I will say that I contacted Ari and asked her if she would mind me sharing some of the products with my mum, and she said no, of course, makeup is for sharing. So I have given a couple of things to my mum because she's not a great buyer of makeup and I like to give her makeup wherever possible. I hope you enjoy watching what I've got to play with here, and I hope you enjoy this new setup. This is my actual makeup desk. So if you'd like to see what I did with what I've got, then please keep on watching. Here I am using the Pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. I do use that Seraphine Hibiscus lip mask every night, by the way, and the Basie Beauty lip oil is also a big favourite. Here I am putting on my KVD Lock-It foundation and my e.l.f. concealer. And remembering to put on my Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Base as well. So here I am using the Wet n Wild colour changing cream blush as a blush and a contour, and it really is excellent stuff. And I'm setting everything with the KVD loose powder, getting it all over myself as usual, and just buffing it off with one of those lovely brushes that came in the gift as well. I decided to use the Lime Crime as a highlight rather, and I'm starting off my eyes using the cake liner, the KVD cake liner that Ari sent. The first eye colour I'm going to go for is the Uomi Savage palette, using the lovely rich deep black in that palette. Then switching to the Dose of Colours Block Party in X-Ray, and blending that out with the Balm What's the Tea in Iced Tea. And I'm going to go back and forth between these, the Lime Crime Venus 3, just to try and get as many of the colours as I can on my face. Now I'm going in with the KVD Vegan palette with that beautiful sparkly shimmery purple for the centre of my spotlight eye, and then just blending the edges of that with a bit more from the Venus 3. And I was starting to do my eyeliner with my Essence, and then I remembered that I had this Moxie magnetic eyeliner to use. And then I went in with my good old Lash Princess for mascara. And my NYX Epic Ink Liner for my wings. And then I put on the Moxie magnetic lashes, which are in the style Bossy. Finished with the Kiko black lipstick, which I use all the time, and it's made really, really special by the Hollow Gloss by Femme Couture. And there we have it, the final look. Very fast, very quick. I used 3 palettes, 2 singles, the transforming blush and the magnetic lashes, which I am not totally convinced would last very long on a very windy seafront. I also used this gorgeous holographic lip gloss, as you can see. The other things will get used eventually. I just hope you like this look. I rather think it's, you know, not bad for a quick go. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? If you'd like to show me some love, I'd be very happy if you were to buy me a coffee. And in the meantime, I hope you're all being happy and safe, looking after yourself, looking after those you love, whether they be animals or humans. And most of all, everybody, please don't forget to stay strange. Bye for now, everybody.